Hey guys, it's me Nishant here, and today is episode 5 of me trying to learn full CLL. So as you guys know from last episode, I already know full CLL. So there's a bit time change, is that I won't premiere videos anymore at 8 p.m. IST due to some problems, and every video from now on will be premiered from 1 to 3 p.m. IST. So yeah, sorry for the inconvenience. And by the way, in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys the sune cases, which if you guys know anti-sune, it's a direct mirror alg of that. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So in anti-sune, how you recognize cases is by seeing this piece, and this piece. But in sune, it's just the mirror opposite of that. You see from this piece, and this piece. So basically, this case, as you guys can see, has these two are opposite. This one is not. And when you guys see that, you guys should know one thing. You guys should know that this alg is particularly same with the sune alg in 3x3. So the sune alg goes like this. And then with that you can apply it here. In this second case, as you guys can see, these two pieces are opposite, this one is not. So this is exactly the mirror version. So my alg is, so guys, for this third case, as you guys can see, these two pieces are the same color, this one is the opposite. When you guys see this, hold it like this and do. So for this fourth case, as you guys can see, these two pieces are the same color, this one is not. When you guys see this, do U2 and then do. I know this alg is not good because it has rotation, but this alg is the best one in my opinion. Next case, as you guys can see, these two pieces are opposite. These two pieces are the same. This one is opposite. Now what most people tend to do is, however, if you are the person that does this algorithm, you are missing out on niklas. And niklas is way easier to execute than that slow bad alg. So niklas goes like this. For this last case, as you guys can see, these two pieces are opposite. These two pieces are the same. This one is not. When you guys see this, do a U prime and then do. So that is about it for the CLL episode 5. I'm quite surprised that this video is very short. So basically, guys, I have an announcement to make. So I'm going to be critiquing people on 2x2 when I hit 70 followers on Instagram. If you guys want to get critiqued on 2x2, all you have to do is DM me on Instagram at Nishant Swaminathan telling me you want to get critiqued and what do you average, and you have to tell these. What do you average in 2x2? What's your main cube in 2x2, and what's your goal for 2020? Or the second way is message me on Discord at Nishant Swaminathan #9629. But however, Discord will take much longer time than Instagram. So Instagram is your main choice. In Discord, you do the same thing. Type your main 2x2, what do you average, and what's your goal for 2020 in 2x2. There is a third option, however. Message me in the comments below. But if you guys message me in the comments, I will ask you if you have one of those two things. So good luck. I've already found my first two people to critique. So the first one to contact me would be the third one to get critiqued. And don't forget, guys, the first person to get critiqued will be uploaded when I hit 70 followers on Instagram. So my Instagram link will be in the description. Go follow it right now. So that's about it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.